Okay, let us solve this problem. It says that a the power of a cube over a the power of 7 is equals to a the power of 57. So, okay, let us bring this a the power of 7 to top. So, a the power of a cube times a the power of minus 7 is equals to a the power of 57. Okay, so we can, since the bases are the same, we can take one base. So a the power of 7 3 minus 7 is equals to a the power of 57. Since this base is similar, we can cancel this base and we can equalize the power. So a the power of 3 minus 7 is equals to 57. So a the power of 3 is equals to 57 plus 7, and a cube is equals to 64. So 64 means is equals to 4 to the power of 3. So we can write 4 to the power of 3 instead of 64. A cube is equals to 4 to the power of 3. Since this power is equal, we can equalize the base also. So A is equals to 4 is the correct answer. Okay, similar to this, let's come to this question. So to solve this problem, let us rewrite as x to the power of x cube over x is equals to x to the power of 26. So let's bring this x to the top. So x to the power of x cube times this is the power of x is here. This one when come to the top it become minus 1. So is equals to x to the power of 26. And we can take only one base. So x to the power of x cube minus 1 is equals to x to the power of 26. We can cancel this x, and x cube minus 1 is equals to 26, and x cube is equals to 26 plus 1, and x cube is equals to 27. So 27 means is equals to 3 to the power of 3. So we can write as x cube is equals to 3 to the power of 3. Since the power is equal, we can equalize the base also. X is equals to 3. This is the final answer. Thank you.